So Google is completely dependent on the auction system. Okay. Let us take an example of a product, a single product. Okay, let me say power bank. Okay. So let me target the keyword power bank. Okay. Now, how does each and every person will start running advertisement campaign for power bank? Okay, there will be more than one seller who is selling a power bank. Okay, so preferably, okay, lots of places the manufacturer itself will sell a power bank, for example fingers. Okay, so they are manufacturing a power bank, and there are people who are retailing this power bank, like Purvika is retailing this power bank. Amazon is selling the power bank online. Okay, let me say Flipkart. Okay, he is also selling the products online. And let us take one more vendor who is selling this product in the local area. Okay, let me say, Vignesh Mobiles. Okay, Vignesh Mobile. So there is a person who is selling this mobile phone, like. Okay, so what we have right now here is almost like 5 to 6 different product sellers. Okay, one is Fingers, another one is Puvika, another one is Amazon, and another one is like Vignesh Mobiles in the local area. All these people wants to run their advertisement on Google. Okay, so whenever they try to run advertisement, there are several factors that determines how these advertisements are actually working out. Okay, so one of the influencing factor, how the quality score of an advertisement is decided, how Google decides which advertisement to show to people. Okay, so Google uses a combination of quality score quality score, okay, plus the bid value, how much amount they are willing to spend or to compete. Okay, so the overall quality score. Okay, basically, what does the factors affect the quality of the advertisement? And the bid value, okay, the value which the person is willing to spend. Okay, the position in which the advertisement is going to be displayed. Is the advertisement is going to show at the top four position of SERP, or at the bottom of search engine results page, or at the right side, sidebar, where it is going to be displayed? So quality score plus bid value. Okay, so there are few factors which determines the quality score. Okay, there are few factors which determines the quality score. Okay, out of which one important factor, okay, one important factor is the ad type. Okay, what type of advertisement is this? Is this a text advertisement, which means a search network advertisement? Is this a shopping ad, or is this a uh, display advertisement, or a video advertisement, or a call only ad? Ad type is very important. Image advertisement, text advertisement. Okay, whether the image advertisement is used for branding or something like that. Okay, so ad type, what kind of advertisement type is used, is one factor. Okay, which contributes to the quality score of an advertisement. Ad type. Okay, and there are several factors, out of which I'm going to discuss very few important factors. Number one. Okay, number two, relevancy. Relevancy, which means how relevant is the advertisement. How relevant is the advertisement? And also the content inside the website where they are promoting. Let me say I am promoting the power bank, but once I click on the advertisement, I ended up seeing a software that is automatically downloaded and installed on the computer. Now that is cloaking, cheating the people, cheating the visitor. So, how relevant is your advertisement title, your advertisement link, your advertisement's description with respect to the landing page or the final URL? If the relevancy is very less, which means you are trying to mislead the visitor. So when you are trying to mislead the visitor, we are not going to get a better quality score. So Google does not prefer your website. So advertisement type, the relevancy of your, so everything is calculated with the score. Okay, so advertisement type, and another one is relevancy. Okay, and the third one is the user experience. User experience. Okay, what is the user experience? Let us see, when a visitor is coming to your website and after visiting the website, the user is bouncing, leaving the website immediately, and the website is not loading, the website is like kind of distracting. Anything that people don't like, that is negative for your website, anything that people love the most, let me say you have the fastest loading website, a website that loads faster, easy for people to click and add product. Your website is not bumping links. For example, you click on a particular link and you see 5 to 6 different pages automatically opens. Very bad experience. Okay, and along with user experience, you can also say the SEO, the search engine optimization practice that you do. Okay, the SEO score. Okay, how optimized is your website is. Optimization includes your speed, includes your content, includes your keywords. Is your website content related to your advertisement campaign? SEO, search engine optimization, one score. Okay, so along with this, whenever advertisement is shown to people, okay, click through ratio, CTR. Okay, click through ratio, how many times your advertisement is shown to people, how many times people click on your advertisement, the ratio between the impression, how many times it is shown, and the click is called click through ratio. When your advertisement receives a very good click through ratio, it means people likes your advertisement. If not, they don't like your advertisement. Okay, so along with this, how much amount you are willing to spend, preferably the bid value or CPC, we can call it as a bid value, how much money you are willing to compete. Okay, so every person will quote a different value. Okay, how much money you are willing to spend, that value decides the CPC, cost per click value. It also helps your budget, daily budget. Okay, daily budget. So like this, we have different process, different parameters, okay, which is used, okay, to check and find out the quality score of a particular type and advertisement. Now what happens, there is something called budget. Okay, there is something called budget, where we have to define whether the advertisement is running with a daily budget or a total budget. Okay, whatever it may be. So there are several factors which is added or which is included together. Okay, so your bid value or the daily budget is two different parameters. Okay, they are two different parameters. Okay, now in the traditional auction system, where people raise their auction values, it is decided by only one factor, that is, whomsoever is demanding for the higher value, the product will be given to them. So they have to give the money whichever they are demanding. So whenever people go ahead and bid the product, okay, whomsoever is like bidding for the highest value, they will be given the product ownership. But with respect to traditional, I mean the digital platform which we are trying to discuss now, It is not only the financial bid value that decides your advertisement position. Along with that, your quality is very important. How qualitative is your advertisement? What is the quality of the advertisement? The quality of the advertisement is decided by several factors like advertisement type, advertisement schedule, how relevant is your content, how fast your website is loading, what better your user experience is, how better your search engine optimization is done, SEO. Okay, what is the click through ratio for your advertisement? So, advertisement type, relevancy, user experience. Now, along with the quality score, and along with the bid financial bid value that is decided, advertisement type, relevancy, everything along with the quality score and the bid value type decided, Google decides who should take the top position. Okay, who should take the top position. Now each and every advertisement has to define what is this. Okay, advertisement type, we cannot give a numerical value for advertisement type. Okay, we cannot give a numerical value for advertisement type, but still, when two different advertisements are competing with each other, when you go into a display advertisement, remember, an advertisement with a branding goal, an advertisement with a sales goal, an advertisement with app installation. Okay, not app installation. Okay, a video promotion. Okay, they can have a image advertisement. So different types of advertisement, okay, will compete with each other. Okay, so when we have these different advertisements are competing with each other, automatically what happens, whichever the advertisement is doing really good under the best performance category or the financial value. Okay, so people generally take care of these advertisement along with the bid value, advertisement type, everything, and Google also decides about this, and finally it is decided which advertisement to take the top position. Okay, let me say this service, Fingers, the manufacturer, is running a text type advertisement or image type advertisement. Let it do. Okay, we are not going to give any score for ad type right now because we cannot determine the advertisement type based on a value. Okay, but how relevant is this content, okay, to the visitors or the advertisement? Let us see how relevant is this content to the visitor. Okay, with respect to relevancy, out of 100, let me give a score of, let me say, 80. Okay, for user experience. Okay, for user experience, let me try to give a score of, let me say, somewhere around 85. Okay, for the SEO optimization purposes, let me try to give a score of 60. For click through ratio, let me try to give a score of, some 20. For the bid value, he is trying to bid for rupees, 50. Okay, and the budget that he is offering every day is somewhere around, let me say, 500. The daily budget may not have an impact every time calculating the quality score, but the daily budget is one of the consideration, which means, let me say, if there is no budget, your advertisement is not at all eligible to show to people. So the Google will try to see whether there is a budget value today. Okay, if the budget value is available, 500, 600 is available, and if the bid value is, let me say, 50, 60 rupees, now Google can show your advertisement. Let me say if your budget is only 1 rupee and your bid value is 50 rupees, now Google will not show your advertisement. So showing your advertisement includes the value for all this. Okay, now what are we trying to do? Let us see Purvika. Okay, what Purvika is trying to do? Purvika is having a relevancy of its content and advertisement to the extent of, let me say, 90, and the people who are visiting the website is having a user experience of somewhere around, let me say, 80, and the score, SEO score, that is assigned for this Purvika distributor and its website, let me say somewhere around 70. I'm just giving a random value, and the click through ratio for the advertisement is somewhere around, let me say, 30 click through ratio, and the bid value what he is trying to fight is around 40 rupees, and the budget he is defining is somewhere around 1000 rupees every day. Okay, let us consider like this. At the same time, let us see what Amazon is doing. Okay, let me say relevancy of the Amazon website product is somewhere around 85, and with respect to the user experience, okay, what are the user experience that Amazon is giving to the people? Okay, let us discuss about this user experience that is given. somewhere around again go with 80. Okay, and the SEO score for Amazon, okay, the SEO activity that is done on there, let me say 50. Okay, the click through ratio is somewhere around 25, and the bid value what they are trying to fight is somewhere around 20 rupees. So anybody can define the bid value of their choice, and the daily budget that they have defined for their advertisement is, let me say, 5,000 rupees. So money is not a concern for them. Okay, now let us see about a Flipkart. So Flipkart is having a relevancy advertisement of again, let me give a very good value around 90. Okay, and the user experience of having a Flipkart. Okay, the experience of the people who are coming to the website, let me add it to 85, and the SEO score that they are maintaining is somewhere around 65, and the click through ratio is around 15 percentage, and the bid value is somewhere around 45 rupees, and the daily budget is somewhere around 2000 approximately. Okay, like this, let me say Vignesh Mobile is also trying to bid their value, and the relevancy for Vignesh advertisement is somewhere around 75, and the user experience there, okay, with respect to the website visitors and all of the stuff, somewhere around 80, and the SEO score, okay, let it take somewhere around 65. Okay, 65, let me give the value as, okay, and we have something called a click through ratio, CTR, around 20 percentage. Okay, bid value he is willing to bid for 80 rupees. Okay, and the daily budget that beginners advertisement is trying to spend is around daily budget is around 100 rupees, not 100. Okay, let us go with the decent value, 500. Now when an organization is trying to bid for a particular product like power bank, when they are trying to bid, they have to get all these metrics. So in order to get your metrics advertisement value, how much is the relevancy, how much is the user experience, how much is the SEO score, how much is the click through ratio or the bid value or the amount, whenever your advertisement is created, your advertisement will undergo a phase called learning phase. So whenever you create an advertisement, this advertisement is shown with a learning phase, and this learning may take up to 5 days by Google Advertisement Network. What is the bid value you have defined? What is the advertisement schedule you have? How much is the quality score put together? Okay, so now Google decides and it comes out with the total value. Okay, leave the bid value and we can calculate the remaining values. The relevancy, user experience. Okay, this is 80. This is another 80. So we can call it as 165. Okay, along with the another 60. So it's calling 125. I mean 225. So 225 plus another 20 is like 245. So the total value that comes out here is 245. Okay, this is what let us consider. Okay, so total value that is coming here is the 245. Okay, so fingers has got the total value of 245. Okay, why it's not taking. Okay, let me try to delete this. Okay, 245. Okay, now what happens to Purvika? Okay, let us try to put the summary of the value towards Purvika. Okay, let us add it. 90 plus 80, okay, is around 170, right? Correct, if I'm not wrong. Okay, 170, another 40 is 240, 240 plus another 30 is like 270. Okay, so let me say 270 is the total score for, I'm talking about the quality score is 270. Okay, what happens to Amazon? Okay, Amazon has a value of 85 plus 80. So relevancy and user experience, 85 plus 80 is like 165 and 115. Okay, and sorry, 215, 215 and 220 to 40. Okay, so 240 is the total score that goes to Amazon. Okay, let us calculate the total quality score for Flipkart. Okay, how much is the total quality score for Flipkart? Okay, 90. Okay, another 85 is like 175, 225, 235, and click through ratio is like 245 and 250 is what it is getting. So the quality score that we have it for Flipkart is 250 somewhere around. Let us calculate for Vignesh mobiles. Okay, what does it say? Relevancy is 75 and this one is like another 80. Okay, so 155, 155 plus another 65 is like 170. Okay, 230, 230 plus another 20 is 250. Okay, so Vignesh is also getting 250 quality score. Okay, and Amazon is getting somewhere around 240 quality score. Purvika is getting somewhere around 270 quality score, and Fingers is getting around 245 quality score. Okay, now the quality score is calculated, and each and every advertisement has a quality score now. Along with the quality score, how much is the bid value that is decided, and how much is what is the advertisement type that is also decided. Okay, ad type and the bid value. Now what happens, let us try to give position to this advertisement. Okay, this is the advertisement position. Okay, that each advertisement will get based on the quality score. Along with the quality score is the bid value. Just because you have more bid value doesn't mean that your advertisement will get a position 1. Higher bid value will contribute to your advertisement, but still quality is very important. You cannot run or win an advertisement by giving more bid value by having a worst quality score. You should have the quality score, and along with that your bid value is decided. Okay, now if you look into this one, okay, 270, Purvika is having the highest quality score, and along with the quality score the bid value is 40 rupees and the budget is 1000. So whenever there is a budget available, your advertisement is eligible to run, and the bid value is 40. Now Purvika is running with, okay, a quality score of 270 along with the bid value of 40. Now who is the next immediate competitor for this one? Okay, it is the Flipkart and Vignesh mobiles. Okay, now if you see Flipkart is having a quality score of 250, Vignesh mobile is also having a quality score of 250, Purvika is having a quality score of 270. Now with respect to Purvika, Flipkart and Vignesh mobiles, they are going to compete with each other. All the three are having the budget, so they can participate, they are eligible. But when they look into the bid value, Purvika is bidding for 40, Flipkart is bidding for 45, and Vignesh is bidding for 80. Now what happens? Because Purvika is having a quality score 270, and the next immediate competitors are Flipkart and Vignesh, and Vignesh is willing to bid for 80 rupees. When Purvika is bidding for 40, Vignesh is bidding for 80, Flipkart is bidding for 45. Now compared to Flipkart and Vignesh, Vignesh will win competing with the Flipkart. So Purvika will get position 1. So Purvika advertisement will be given in the first position. So the first position goes to Purvika. Now what happens? Along with the quality score with the bid value, okay, Google decides the position. The first position goes to Purvika and the next position goes to Vignesh. Why? Because Vignesh's quality score is 250, okay, and he is willing to bid for 80. So along with the quality score, bid value is also important. The problem is you cannot have a worst quality score and have a highest bid value to win the competition, because Google does not want to show the worst experience to the users. Google wants to show the best experience to the users. Okay, with respect to Purvika, okay, is getting the position 1 and Vignesh is getting the position 2. Now Purvika and Vignesh is out of the game. Now what we have? We have a competition between Flipkart, who is having a quality score of 250, okay, and Fingers 245. Now the competition for the third position is on. Okay, who is going to win the competition? So the competition is between the organizations like Flipkart and Fingers. Now, obviously, Flipkart is supposed to win. The reason because Flipkart is having the highest quality score compared to Fingers. But when you look into the bid value, okay, Flipkart is willing to bid for 45, Fingers is willing to bid for 50. Now, the difference between the Fingers and Flipkart's, bid value is not huge. So there is no huge monetary differences. But when you say quality, Flipkart has 250 and the Fingers has 245. So most probably the third position will be given to Flipkart because the quality score is good. In the same scenario, let us take it as an example. Now Flipkart is having a quality score of 250 and the Fingers is having a quality score of 245 and the bid value given by the Fingers is somewhere around, let me say, 90 rupees. Now there is a possibility of Fingers taking over Flipkart. So it's a combination of your bid value or the CPC, cost per click value you are willing to spend, and the quality score. So out of the bit value and the quality score, the quality score is given the highest priority, not the bit value. When your bit value is very high and the quality score is very low, you will not display your advertisement at the top position at all. You will only display your advertisements only at the bottom. Okay. Now the competition for the fourth position starts. Who may potentially take the fourth position? It's either Fingers or Amazon. Okay, it's either Fingers or Amazon who is going to compete with each other. Okay, now you see Fingers is having a quality score of 245, Amazon has a quality score of 240. Finger has a quality score of 245, Amazon has got 240, and you look into the bid value, Amazon has got only 20 and Fingers has got a value of 50. Now Fingers has more bid value than Amazon, but the quality score is only 5 difference. There is no huge. Possibly, okay, it is only the Fingers will take the top position. Okay, Fingers is like 245, is 240, but Amazon is bidding only for 20 and this is bidding only for 50. Okay, so now what happens? Obviously, Fingers has a quality score is also very high, but if you look into the bid value, Fingers is bidding for 50 and Amazon is bidding for 20. So potentially it is the Fingers that will take the fourth position. And finally, there is only one person left, that is obviously the Amazon. So remember, just because Amazon is branded, not necessarily to show Amazon advertisement only at the top every time. Either it is Amazon, Flipkart, Fingers, Vignesh or Purvika, whatever may be the advertiser who is running advertisement. If you don't have a quality score, if you don't have a bid value, you are out of the game. So now what happens when we go online and try to search, okay, power bank, you hit enter, okay. Now you see Amazon has won the bid value and it is only Amazon is shown. There is only one advertisement shown. Now, why is only one advertisement is shown at the top? Because potentially other people would have scheduled an advertisement to run on different times. Maybe some people would try to run an advertisement from 10 o'clock a.m. to close the advertisement at 5 o'clock p.m. So your advertisement schedule will affect. Some people would have gone out of the budget. A budget would have expired. That is also possible. Okay. Some people would have paused their campaign. Some people would have, rescheduled the campaign. So this also will happen. And if there is no competition also, Google may not show your advertisement there. Okay. Now Amazon. Now the person who won the first position in this advertisement is Amazon. Okay, is come down to the bottom at the last. There is no advertisements. Okay, and advertisement type matters a lot. See, this advertisement is a text based search network advertisement type. These advertisements are display advertisements. Now you see the display advertisement. Who is running advertisement with respect to display of images? See, Chroma is running advertisement, igp.com is running, amazon.in is running, okay, Reliance Digital is running, Snapdeal, amazon.in, okay, ShopClose. Now if you see, there are different advertisers. Okay, all these advertisers undergo a bidding system where whomsoever is winning the bid, their advertisement will be shown. The advertisement bidding system happens every time when somebody is searching about an advertisement. Now I searched about Power Bank now, and Amazon showed, I mean Google showed Amazon's advertisement at the top, and the shopping advertisement, e-commerce advertisement at the right side corner, in which Chroma won the first position. Okay, igp.com won the second position. Okay, Amazon again it won the third position. So now what happens when I search about the same keyword again? There will be another bidding system going in between. In this bidding system, if you look into, Amazon is again taking the first position because they have a budget. Okay, Reliance Digital, TPS Tech.com is something new which came inside. Okay, shop close. Okay, but when I try to search about the same keyword again once more, okay, you see Amazon advertisement is gone. Google is not showing the advertisement to me because of several reasons, because I did not click on the advertisement. So Google feels like I'm not interested towards buying the power bank. So the text advertisement is gone. So only display advertisement is shown. Chroma is there, Amazon is there, TPS is there, Reliance Digital, Amazon, Cool Gadget has come something as new. Okay, so KGP or something, there was one brand called KGP. Okay, so that was there earlier, that is gone. So every time an advertisement, okay, when people search about a text, it undergoes a auction system. So in advertisement campaign, you cannot say, sir, whenever I go search something, only Google or Amazon is shown at the top. Whenever I go out and see, only Flipkart is shown at the top. No, that is not the reality. Only when an organization wins the budget or wins the bidding on the auction system, this advertisement is shown at the top. Now, Amazon will be having a huge budget, so they will be having a 24/7 advertisement running. I might be a person who is restricted by spending money. I may not be able to spend more money. That is restricted. You're getting a point? I may not be able to spend more money. So advertisement may not be running for me because I have a limited budget. It depends. So every advertisement that happens with respect to bidding system, only when they win in the bid system, okay, their advertisement will be shown. So this is basically the demonstration or the explanation of how the bidding system works as a overall view. Okay, this is not it exactly works, but this is how it works logically. So don't stick on with the exact score that I've given here. It depends, it varies. Okay, so once you get into an advertisement campaign, you will be able to see all this. Okay, this is how it works along with it. So bidding and competition is very important factor with respect to this one. Okay, you can go to youtube.com. Okay, youtube.com, and you will try to search about, okay, Google Ads auction system. Okay, how Google Ads auction system works. Okay, this is way professional, directly from a Google employee. So there are videos that is available. Okay, Google how the search option works. So this is one video from Google that you can take it. So you can copy this URL, and I'm just giving it to here as a reference. So when you have a time, okay, you can actually go ahead and start watching this video which talks about Google AdWords auction system. Okay, which is created by Google's official employees, because Google Ads. Okay, this is highly, okay, trusted. Okay, there is one more video also who AdWords. Okay, how it is working. This is he is the person who is behind this process. Okay, you will be able to get more content with this one. Okay, you'll be able to get more content with this one. So references. Okay, you can use these two videos to watch more advanced or the professional way of, or the content that is actually given by the Google, how the auction system works.